Welcome to the info with me, OnePlus 10T, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first open the Photos application, and now for example let's imagine that you want to hide these 3 photos. So just select them, and after that click here Set as Private. Then we should here set a privacy password first, so click Set Password. For example, I'll use here my unlock method now, and I'll enter here again the pattern. You can use the passwords or PIN codes. Here we should use the security section, the security question. For example, the hard reset. Click to OK, tap to start, click to got it, and now tap here to images and videos, tap to plus, and select once again these 3 photos. Click here Set as Private, and that's it. Now they are here in private safe folder. If you wanna let's go here again to the photos, and we can see that we just hide them successfully. If you wanna unhide them, let's just go to the private safe, to the settings here, to privacy, and click to private safe. Now just let's open the private safe folder, and let's just select these photos, click Set as Public, and move them here to our camera roll. And now we can see them again here in photos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.